drones. Once the stuff of science fiction, these unmanned aerial vehicles have rapidly become a global phenomenon. From their humble beginnings as remote-controlled toys, drones have evolved into sophisticated machines with applications in countless fields. The last decade in particular has witnessed an explosion in drone technology driven by advancements in computing power, battery life and sensor technology. This rapid evolution has not been without its challenges. Concerns about privacy, safety and the potential for misuse have accompanied the rise of drones. Yet the allure of these versatile machines is undeniable. Their ability to access hard-to-reach places, collect data and perform tasks autonomously has captured the imagination of industries and individuals alike. Drones come in all shapes and sizes, each tailored to a specific purpose. Broadly speaking, we can categorize them into three main types: military, commercial, and recreational drones. Military drones are the heavyweights of the drone world. Designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and even combat, these drones are often equipped with advanced sensors, high-powered cameras, and in some cases, weaponry. The use of military drones has become increasingly prevalent in modern warfare, raising complex ethical and legal questions. Commercial drones, on the other hand, are used for a wide range of civilian applications. From inspecting infrastructure to delivering packages, these drones offer cost-effective and efficient solutions to everyday challenges. Farmers use drones to monitor crops, construction companies use them to survey building sites, and filmmakers use them to capture stunning aerial footage. Recreational drones are the smallest and most accessible type of drone. Popular among hobbyists and photographers, these drones offer an exciting way to experience flight and capture unique perspectives. The drone industry is a global one, with several countries vying for dominance in this rapidly growing market. The United States, with its long history of aerospace innovation, remains a key player in drone technology. American companies like Boeing, Lockheed Martin, and General Atomics are renowned for their sophisticated military drones. China has also emerged as a major force in the drone industry, particularly in the commercial sector. Chinese companies like DJI have captured a significant share of the global market with their affordable and user-friendly drones. Israel, too, has a strong track record in drone technology, with companies like Elbit Systems and Israel Aerospace Industries specializing in military and surveillance drones. The world of drones is constantly evolving, with new innovations emerging all the time. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of artificial intelligence in drone technology. AI-powered drones can navigate complex environments, make decisions autonomously, and even learn from their experiences. This opens up a world of possibilities for applications like search and rescue, package delivery, and environmental monitoring. Another key trend is the development of smaller, lighter, and more agile drones. These nano-drones are ideal for operating in confined spaces and can be used for tasks such as inspecting pipelines, bridges, and other infrastructure. The future of drones is likely to be shaped by advancements in areas like battery life, sensor technology, and autonomous navigation, making drones even more versatile and capable than they are today. Beyond the horizon, the future of drones. The future of drones is brimming with possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see drones playing an even greater role in our lives. Imagine a world where drones deliver our packages, monitor traffic, inspect our homes for damage, and even assist in search and rescue operations. The potential applications are truly limitless. However, alongside the excitement, it's crucial to address the ethical and societal implications of widespread drone adoption. Issues surrounding privacy, security, and the potential for misuse need careful consideration. As we venture into the age of drones, it's essential to strike a balance between harnessing their potential and ensuring their responsible use. The dawn of delivery drones is one of the most anticipated applications of drone technology. Just imagine ordering a product online and having it delivered to your doorstep by a drone within hours or even minutes. Companies like Amazon, Google, and UPS are already investing heavily in drone delivery programs, testing and refining their technologies. The benefits of drone delivery are numerous. It offers faster delivery times, reduced traffic congestion, and lower emissions compared to traditional delivery methods. However, several challenges remain, including regulatory hurdles, safety concerns, and the need for efficient air traffic management systems for drones. Eyes in the sky, drones for surveillance and security. Drones are increasingly being deployed for surveillance and security purposes by law enforcement agencies, private companies, and even individuals. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, thermal imaging sensors, and facial recognition software, drones can monitor large areas, track individuals, and identify potential threats. While drones offer valuable tools for enhancing security, their use also raises concerns about privacy violations and the potential for misuse. Striking a balance between security needs and individual rights will be crucial as drone surveillance becomes more prevalent. The ethical implications of drone use are a hot topic these days. Privacy concerns top the list. Drones equipped with cameras and sensors can easily collect vast amounts of data, raising questions about who has access to this information and how it is used. Another ethical dilemma is the potential for drones to be used for harmful purposes. From carrying out illegal surveillance to delivering dangerous payloads, the misuse of drones poses a significant threat. It is essential to establish clear regulations and ethical guidelines for drone use to mitigate these risks. Conclusion: navigating the drone revolution. The drone revolution is upon us, transforming industries and reshaping our world. From delivering packages to monitoring crops, drones offer unprecedented capabilities across a wide range of applications. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative uses for these versatile machines. However, it is crucial to approach this drone revolution with both enthusiasm and caution. We must address the ethical and societal implications of widespread drone use, ensuring that privacy is protected and potential risks are mitigated. By fostering responsible innovation and thoughtful regulation, we can fully harness the transformative power of drones while safeguarding our values and freedoms.